The reasons why I did this course: I have done NLP work before with Joseph and Elizabeth and really found it very beneficial, but also really enjoyed it and found it fun and exciting. So the thought of doing it on a 20-day period was a motivator for me. I was also going through quite a big personal change in my life, so I knew that time, 20 days, would be quite a luxurious amount of time to spend on looking at what was going on for me and how I was going to, adapt to my new situation. And I knew that I had to put some focus and love into what I was going to be. And the setup in Bristol, where the course was held, really enabled me to do so. I felt like I was coming to a really very safe and nurturing environment, which was very important for me, very important aspect of doing the course. And the other thing which was exciting was that I was doing it in a group of people rather than just doing it one-to-one, which had added a different dynamic and enabled us to work together in a very different way. I also wanted to do the course because I wanted to learn the NLP skills, the basic NLP skills, and I wanted to be able to use those in my professional life, which I knew would be quite enriching for the people I work with. The course that we went through we did the NLP syllabus, and we learnt a lot of varied and different exercises and techniques which enabled us to look at ourselves in different ways, and we were also able to support each other through those exercises. Extremely beneficial. The other benefits that I found from the course were that I was able, apart from just spending time alone away from my day-to-day life, I was really able to look at what I wanted and what I needed and what was good for me and what worked for me, which in a day-to-day life you don't always get time to spend doing. So that was one of the main benefits, was to have that time to myself and to be able to do that in a supportive environment. Professionally, again, I've been able to use some of the work that I've learnt in my working life successfully, and I'm hoping to develop that, even if it's maybe thinking about doing something, a new job, and using that in the new role, or in the work that I'm doing now, and maybe doing a little bit more of it that I've started doing already, which I know would be great for the people I work with. I've learnt also to look after myself a little bit more because I know myself a little bit better, so that's been a big change, and I feel that I've got the kind of skills, and I've learnt different strategies on maybe difficult situations where I'm going to be able to go more confidently through life.